It's day 50 plus, but I just want to record something before I take a bath because I forgot to record apparently. But no worries with that. I just want to inform you guys as well as myself from the future that I read this quote that if you're too confident on your journey, just burn the ship. So what is essentially mean is make yourself not to be able to go back so that you can truly move forward, and that's what I did. And what I'm currently in, or my situation is that I did try to email the company, so I will be transferred to a different department, but I haven't received a reply from them, and the email notification says that I cannot send email to that particular account because there's too much email that she receives. So yeah, I'm gonna look for another job because I didn't really like the department that I will be transferring in, because it is a non-voice, so we will, or I will talk to a lot of person and through chat, and I don't really like that because it is more on multitasking, and it might not be true, it might be true, but I've watched a video about how multitasking destroys your focus. So if you do it consistently, and if your brain got used to being able to do multitask every day and doing something simultaneously, you will lose your focus apparently. And that might not be the case, or that might not be a solid information, but I don't want to risk it for my health, mental health, psychological health, as well as I'm doing my fitness health as well, and I am getting thinner, so I don't really like the result. So I will go back to not fasting, or probably fasting but eating only on the first 8 hours of the day. And yeah, I will not hold back on eating. That's all.